We all know that the Chinese engineer, manufacture and fake reviews for their Amazon products right around the world. How do they do that? In this video, I'm going to show you how.
All right, let's move on. Our next question. Here's one you're gonna love. So here is a question you are gonna piss in your panties over. So one of the things I love to do is I love to harass Chinese sellers when they contact me to get reviews. So I thought I would just show you, I don't know if you've actually had this happen to you, I thought I would just show you how Chinese sellers get so many reviewers for their Amazon listing. So last week we talked about reviews and I showed you some white hat through to gray hat through to very, very black hat. This is black hat strategy. Okay, so this is, what is this? My Facebook account, one of my Facebook accounts. So let's just scroll down. And I have been communicating, I communicate with heaps of them, with Chinese sellers. So this is all like, let me just move that out of the way. Amazon seller, come free Amazon products, only 5-star review needed. Now that is, so that get a free product for a 5-star review is 100% against Amazon's terms of service, okay? 100% against Amazon's terms of service. Anyway, so you can read what's going on here. Oh, let's just see if I can scroll down. So I'm just trying to get their links so I can go and have a look what they're selling. But we can do that without actually having to go through the process. So one of their products here, look, which looks like a lady toy, but I'm sure it's got a legitimate, not that that's not legitimate, of course. Anyway, there's never gonna do that. I'm looking for Dominic Corradino on my call tonight. I don't think he's on the call. He knows he hassles me about vibrators. So this vibrator slash shoulder massager that's the image for it, look. So let's just go find the product and you'll see why this is such a fascinating way to do things. So I'm on Google Images. I'm just going to go to search. I'm just going to paste the URL in. That was a URL I just got directly from that particular thing. Oh, that's messed that up, Asher, you idiot. I think I might have to, let's see if I can do that again. Here we go. Maybe I just got to get that. Ah, you bastard! All right, I've got to upload something. That means that's got to go upload my image. 1 second, please, callers. What do you reckon to that? This kind of idea that they're contacting me through Facebook to get reviews for their products. What do you reckon to that idea? What do you reckon to that? I just thought that was hilarious. Oh, there it is. Oh, well done, Asher. I've done it. Well done, you bastard. I'm very sweary today. I was on a call. Merchant Words interviewed me for their podcast the other day, and I said to them, I'm only going to do it if I can get drunk before I do the course, before I do the call. And they said, sure, why not? I think they thought, you know, drunk means something different in the USA. I did the call, got drunk, and spent the entire call harassing the hell out of them and swearing a lot. They recorded it, so I'll share the call. Anyway, so this is called Tautronics. Let's just find Tautronics massage gun. There it is. So look at this. It's got 2,000 ratings for massage gun. 2,000 ratings, sold by Who to USA. So this is the same people here who want me to go and review this product from Hong Kong. Now, what can we absolutely deduce about the fact that this business is based in Hong Kong? What can we deduce immediately? What do you reckon? What would you say we can immediately deduce from that? Trading company. Absolutely. It's a trading company, all right? It's not a factory. Like, that's not a factory. That's a trading company, all right? Which is why they've sent me through so many of their products. Most factories in China do not sell direct. They can't be asked selling one unit at a time. Doesn't make sense for them. And well, there's a whole raft of reasons why. But typically, when you're competing with a Chinese seller, it's a trading company, not a factory. Anyway, that's kind of interesting, don't you reckon? So that's these guys. Let's just have a look at their storefront. This is how they get reviews. Here we go. All the same products that I have been asked to review here and to give a 5-star review in exchange for that. Here they all are. Interesting, don't you reckon? There's that one. I got that one just offered to me. Anyway, so that's how they do it. They're just blatant. I'm not saying that you should do that, but what I am saying is that's what they're doing. So if you're looking for a strategy, here's another one, look. Here, that's another one. So 2, I get heaps of these. I normally just delete them, but I thought I'd just keep them up just so you can see them. That's how they get so many reviews on Amazon. Look at it. 38,000 reviews, 18,000 reviews. Anyway, don't even get me started. Hi, I'm Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and we've helped over 2,000 people right here in Australia start their very own profitable Amazon business and go from 0 to over $50 million in sales and growing on Amazon right here in Australia. We're the largest community of online sellers anywhere in Australia, and you can find out more at AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.